Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is 10-point Wicked Ridge Rampage 360 Crossbow. Another advantage of this broadhead is its massive 2-inch cutting diameter, which opens after entry and has been confirmed to be true and maintained even as it passes through an animal. This implies that even a poor shot can be lethal enough to bring the deer down. The Swacker is a must-try if you're having trouble with flight accuracy and slow killing shots. The industry's first entry-level crossbow with a built-in cocking device, the Rampage 360 shoots up to 360 feet per second, measures 15-inch wide, and delivers unmatched, out-of-the-box accuracy and unparalleled quality. The 10-point Wicked Ridge Rampage 360 crossbow package is ideal for beginners, having been ruggedly designed with innovation in mind. The lightweight design is easy to transport and has a shooting speed of up to 360 feet per second. Quivers that attach to the sides of the crossbow to secure arrows and reduce fatigue. Integrated safety wings help keep the shooter's hand and fingers safely below the flight deck, and a fully enclosed trigger guard provides additional safety. Also includes a dry fire inhibitor and a crisp 3.5-pound trigger. Number 2 in this best crossbow with built-in cocking device list is 10-point Vapor RS470. Their Vapor RS470 replaces the Nitro XRT and is one of the best reverse draw hunting crossbows. The 10-point ACU rope cocking aid is a rope cocking device that folds up and stores in its own case. Because of its lightweight nature, there is much less chance of rope tangling, which saves time fumbling with an already loaded crossbow versus wasting motion getting it ready while also risking messing up something else, as you would if using another method or tool. The 10-point Dead Sled is a brand new invention that clips securely and smoothly to the rail of your crossbow. For narrow bows, you may need to move your hands clear so they don't get in between the limbs, but this is an excellent accessory. This product does not scratch or damage any parts, making it ideal for use on expensive items such as gun barrels, wood furniture, and so on. Plus, it's simple enough. Anyone can do anything, starting with tying their shoelaces. Our third choice is Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 Crossbow. Barnett's premium illuminated scope will help you find that perfect shot every time. It has a rope cocking device for ease of use and a side mount quiver for quick access while on the move. The arrow transfer system ensures quick deployment in high pressure situations. This crossbow is made of true bark camo for an authentic wild hunting experience, and it has a powerful 140 ft-pounds kinetic energy on impact and a 40 feet per second velocity, making it undeniably deadly 24 hours a day. 350 feet per second. Draw weight, 150 pounds, kinetic energy, 103 feet-pounds. Real tree extra camo. Heavy duty, dual-stage lockable latches and a built-in pressure release valve also help the gun cases withstand the continuous bumping and jarring of airline travel. Trigger Tech technology with 3-pound zero creep release. All stainless steel components. Knock sensor and ADF eliminate dry fires. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best crossbow with built-in cocking device list is Centerpoint Archery CP400 Crossbow. The Centerpoint CP400 crossbow offers the best value for your money at its price point. With its helicoil technology, you can expect frictionless drawing and shooting. Centerpoint crossbows have a CNC machined cam system that ensures perfectly balanced cams. The company uses licensed helicoil technology, which allows the cams to rotate 340 degrees for increased downrange accuracy. The CP400 is a compact design with a custom riser, stock, and cams that maintains a length of 6 inches when fully cocked. The CP400 can produce over 400 FPS with a 200 pounds draw weight when extended to its full 31.75-inch length. This crossbow is equipped with numerous safety features, including anti-dry fire to prevent accidental releases and auto safety to prevent unintentional firing. The Centerpoint CP400 also includes a quick detach quiver for storing your 20-inch carbon arrows. Our fifth and last choice is Excalibur Twin Strike Crossbow. Excalibur is a recurve technology that offers superior accuracy and reliability. If you want to hit your targets precisely, you should consider the Excalibur Twin Strike. These crossbows have been designed for long-term use, and you can expect them to last for many years. Despite the feather-like skeleton stock, the bow is tough and long-lasting. The model includes dual-fire technology, which allows it to accurately fire 2 shots from a single crossbow at any distance. For increased accuracy, a 2-trigger platform is designed with independent frictionless triggers. The Twin Strike features ultimate safety cease-fire technology, which prevents the crossbow from firing until the barrels are completed in the correct sequence. In addition, the technology provides additional anti-dry fire protection. Dual fire technology is engineered to accurately fire 2 shots from a single crossbow at any distance. 2-trigger platform offers double, independent 4 pounds frictionless triggers for double the accuracy. Ultimate safety cease-fire technology ensures your crossbow will not fire unless an arrow is loaded. Includes our silent crank and new rebolt quiver, the most premium quiver on the market. Skeletonized for weight reduction, yet carries Excalibur's signature durability and high quality. For details, let's watch more.